A record number of cases has been reported to the Motor Ombudsman. Over 1,600 new cases of service and repair issues between January and March, marking the highest volume of disputes in a single quarter, up by 35% year on year. Service and repair disputes accounted for nearly a fifth of all cases opened. Around 24,000 customer complaints were received, showing a 56% increase compared to the previous year. Nearly 40% of all claims related to the drivetrain. 27% of those claims were about the standard of work carried out by their suppliers. Complaints about electrical issues such as software updates leading to errors and battery failures. Accounted for 10% of all consumer complaints. The Chief Ombudsman had a few things to say. He highlighted the fact that economic pressures faced by consumers were a significant contributing factor. This increased demand for dispute resolutions is expected to continue into this year.